we will guide you through how to set YouTube music as your ringtone. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the YouTube Music application on your device and wait for it to finish loading. After the app opens, tap the search bar at the bottom of the screen and search for the song that you want to use as your ringtone. Press enter to start the search and wait for the results to appear. Browse through the available songs until you find the one that you want to use. Once you find the correct song, tap the three dots on the right side of the song to open the options menu. Inside the menu, tap the share option to open the sharing menu. From the available options, select copy link to copy the song link to your clipboard. Next, open the browser on your device and tap the search bar. Search for a YouTube to MP3 converter and press enter to view the search results. Open the website that you want to use from the available results. When the website finishes loading, paste the copied YouTube music link into the provided link field. After pasting the link, choose the MP3 format from the available options. Tap the convert button to begin converting the link into an MP3 file. Wait a few moments while the conversion process finishes. After the conversion is complete, tap the download button to save the MP3 file to your device. Once the file has been downloaded, open the Settings application on your device. Go to the Sound or Notification section, depending on your device model. Inside the Sound settings, open the Ringtone option to view the available ringtone list. Find the audio file that you downloaded earlier and select it as your new ringtone. Save the changes if your device asks for confirmation. Your selected audio file will now be used as your ringtone whenever someone calls your phone.